There are many reasons to be interested in looking for a new job. Maybe you've just graduated, have been made redundant, resigned, fancy a career change, or even just want to have a look and discover what options are out there. Whatever your reasons, Monster will help you through the full process. Start your job hunt with research. Whereabouts can it be based? What jobs match your skills and passions? What gives you job satisfaction? Identify your transferable skills and keep in mind there might be a great opportunity that you haven't thought of before. Before you apply, get your CV into good shape. Start with a template, then get a free CV review and professional advice from Monster. Once your CV is on our database, interested employers can find you and make you offers. Being headhunted for your dream job feels great. Like any fitness regime, keep it up and change it up. Keep your CV up to date and adapt it for different applications. We'll show you how. Schedule your active job search into your daily routine. Find and apply for jobs straight from your phone with our app or site, setting up automatic alerts by job title, skill, region, and even specific companies. Set up your searches once and let the best opportunities find you. Get started now. Find out the details when you're arranging the time, so there's no surprises on the day. There are lots of types of interview: one-to-one, panel interviews, group interviews, and increasingly video interviews. We'll help you develop answers to most of the common questions. If you feel nervous, remember you're also interviewing the company to see if it's somewhere you'd like to work. So we'll help you think of some questions for them. Not every interview results in an offer, but now you can go into your interviews relaxed, confident, and prepared.